Collective, welcome in. I am getting a message about it is harvest time. We are approaching harvest time. We are stepping into this phase of reaping the rewards that we have been putting so much effort into. And this feels like it could be career, this could be um, just efforts in your own personal development as well, but it's something you've been putting a lot of effort into. And within that, I was also getting the message that we have really been working hard and may not know this because it feels like an assisted guidance of an integration of this inner energy that's allowing our light to shine brighter, our own creativity, our own wishes and desires. There's some form of alignment happening within that's going to start being seen in the external, and that we are going to be receiving a lot of signs and synchronicities, and it feels like in the next few days. It feels like that's coming up quickly. I don't have an exact timing, but to me, it feels quick. It feels soon. Um, Fours could be really important for you. Threes could be very important, and I'm getting lots of ones, especially numbers like 141, 144, those types of numbers. So if you're seeing those, that is a sign that this message is for you. So I hope this helps. I'm going to get on with my day. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will talk to you soon. Juka out. Lead with love. Bye now.